A plank house was another type of home used by Native Americans. A plank house is made of mostly wood, so they would prepare the wood. And they would start by putting large posts in the ground. These would make up the walls. They then put thinner posts on top of the walls to make the roof. They would sometimes use bark or cloth to help join these pieces of wood together. When building a plank home, they would often build a totem pole as well. And a totem pole was supposed to honor the ancestors of those who lived in the plank house. Inside of a plank house, it was one large room where all of the family lived. There was one area for food preparing and another area for sleeping, and often a fire as well inside of the home. Plank house villages looked like this. They had a bunch of different plank houses, each belonging to a family, all built next to each other.